Essam, it's great to have you here. Thank you for taking part in our forum. What have been your key takeaways so far?
I would say that it's great that we hear from different industries. You see the challenge is the same, the opportunities are the same. It's amazing when we come all together, we do the brainstorming, and we found that there are certain areas if we tackle, we can change the world.
What are the most important areas to tackle to change the world, and how quickly can we do it?
It's a very good question. I'll say if we focus more on the human factor, on the people, we can change the world. And if we look at how the people can change the organization, how can change the way they are working, either on the top or in the people in the operation, if they come all together, it's much easier.
Why do you think the timing is important for this forum at this time and this place?
It's a good question. Reality is we are in a very unique situation in the world. You have recession, you have inflation, you have geopolitical challenges, a lot of challenges. This is the bad side of it. The good side that it's across all the industries, across the whole planet. So it's the best time to come together here about failures from each one, which come with the learning for everyone, and working together to make it better.
Take us inside the private conversations you've been having with delegates from all the different sectors that are gathered here today. Tell me something I don't know about what you're talking about.
Something that you don't know about me.
No, something. Let's take two. Take me inside the private conversations that you've been having with the delegates here at the forum. What's being discussed? What's floating to the top of the agenda?
I think what I see very common is the disconnect between the people and the digital transformation. And that's why I've been always emphasizing and repeating the part that the people is the core of the digital transformation. And if you look at the stick notes around us, the most full one is the part related to the people. So I think if we tackle this one, if we crack it, digital transformation will be much more smoother in its journey.
Lastly, we have 2 days to go. We have an important workshop tomorrow, but also a site tour on the third day. If you could give people one pearl of wisdom, one piece of advice, what would it be?
Part of wisdom about digital transformation. Okay, so digital transformation is a journey. It will be full of failures. We need to combine learning with failures as soon as possible. So learning should come with failures, which will improve the digital transformation journey and the adoption and the success in the digital transformation.
We shouldn't be afraid to make mistakes because it's bound to happen.
We should be very happy to do mistake once, as Joaquim was referring to. Do it once, learn from it, don't do it again. But make sure that you have the freedom to do a mistake to learn from. You will never learn without doing mistakes. That's human nature. Nobody knows how to ride the bike reading a book. They need to try it. They need to get some scratches in their body. They will never forget it, and they will never forget how to ride the bike.
Exactly. There's lessons in everything. You never forget how to ride a bike. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. It was great. Thanks a lot.